Hello, I'm Miss RANJANA Dutta from Graduate School College for Women from Mathematics Department. Today we are going to study numerical analysis. Numerical analysis. This is my sixth class for fifth sem DSA students. Now, today we will going to study unequal difference formulas. The unequal difference formulas, that means when the differences are not equal, we use unequal difference formulas. So differences are not same, differences are not equal. That case we use two formulas. One is Newton's divided difference formula, another is Lagrange's formula. But today we will discuss only Newton's divided difference formula. Now we see that how we prepare a divided difference table, which is different from the equal interval formula. Suppose x's are 2, 4, 9 and 10 and fx's are given on your screen. So here we can see that x's are not equally spaced. So here we, in first column, how to prepare divided difference formula. The divided notation is given, that is delta cut fx is equal to second value minus first value divided by second number minus the first number, and whatever comes is seen on your screen. Next, the third value minus second value divided by second x, third x minus second x. In next, the fourth fx minus third fx divided by fourth x divided by minus the third x. Similarly, in delta square fx divided difference, we subtract the second fx minus the first fx divided by third x minus first x, as you can see in the table. Now, so here the first value fx is 21. We call it as, if x's are x0, x1, x2 and x3, we call 21 as fx0, 273 as fx1, then fx2 and fx3. Next, 126, we call it as f x0 x1 or divided difference f2, divided difference f2, or this one 1274 as f x0 x1 x2 or divided difference f2. Similarly, this is divided difference f4. Similarly, the third one is 3458. We can call it as fx0 x1 and x2 or fx4. This way we can prepare the table as you can see in the screen, on your screen. Then the example of how to find a divided difference table and the differentiation of Newton's divided difference formula. Differentiation in Newton's divided difference formula. Suppose x is given 0, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8 and fx's are 4, 26, 58, 112, 466 and 922. So prepare a divided difference table as shown above, and then Newton's divided difference formula. We know fx is equal to fx0 plus x minus x0 f x0 x1 plus x minus x0 x minus x1 f x0 x1 x2 and so on. Here x0 is the first value is 0 here, and x1 is the second value 2 here, x 2 is the third value 3 here, 3 here, and so on. So to apply divided difference formula here, we write it as, in place of fx0 we write 4, in place of x minus x0, x minus x0 is 0, and f x0 x1 is 11, and next x minus x0, x minus x1, x0 is 0, x1 is 2, and f x0 x1 x2 is 7, and similarly the others. So now differentiating to find the differentiation, then f dash x, you should differentiate this function with respect to x. When differentiating, we'll get these values as seen on your screen. When we have to find the value of f dash 5. So put x is equal to 5. x0 is 0, x1 is 2, x2 is 3, x3 is 4, and so on. So f dash 5, in place of f dash 5, you write this is equal to the first value is f x0 x1. x0 x1 is 11 here. Then x minus x0, x minus x1, x minus x2, as you can see, and f x0, x1, x2 is 7, and then x minus x1, as again the putting the values, we get f dash 5 is equal to 98. So prepare the table following the rule of divided difference, not the difference. As shown here, the symbol is shown as difference table, but you have to find the divided difference formula. So that's why I have given the example. So here, to find the first difference table, you subtract 26 minus 4 divided by 2 minus 0, then 58 minus 36 divided by 3 minus 2, then 112 minus 58 divided by 4 minus 3, this way the first table. In the second table, you find 32 minus 11 divided by 3 minus 0, then 54 minus 32 divided by 4 minus 2, then 118 118 minus 54 divided by 7 minus 3, and so on. This way you prepare the divided difference table, and applying Newton's divided difference formula, you substitute the values of these, and then differentiating the function obtained, then put the value of 5 here, then put the value of whatever you need. Okay, so this formula can be also written and this as this way: fx is equal to fa plus x minus a delta fa plus x minus a, x minus b, delta square fa, and so on. Now, here a for the first value, a, b, c, d, x's are taken as this way, a, b, c, d, and the corresponding y values are fa, fb, fc, and fd. And here fa is 0 and delta fa is 1 and delta square fa is again 1 by 3 and then delta square fa is sorry another sum we are sorry suppose x's are 6, 7, 9 and 12 fx's are given so delta fx divided difference f. And so first value 6 is taken as a, second value 7 is as b, third value C and D. So FA is equal to 1.556, FB is 1.690, FC is 1.908 and so on. So if we substitute this values in formula, that is fx equal to fa means 1.556, delta fa means 0.134, delta square fa means minus 0.0083 and delta QFA is equal to 0.00051. Then getting the value of fx and differentiating it with respect to x, differentiating it with respect to x first time, then we get f dash x, and again differentiating with respect to x second time we get f double dash x, and again differentiating fx third time we will get f double 3x. That is first differentiation, second differentiation, and third differentiation. So differentiating it and putting the values of x0 equal to 6, x1 equal to 7, x2 equal to 9, x3 equal to 12, and x is equal to 8, we can get the value as shown on your screen. So similarly, do the homework similar, find the first three derivative of the function tabulated below in the at the point x is equal to 2.5. That is also given on your screen, and then solve it. Prepare a difference table, not a simple table, the difference, divided difference table, and then put the value of Newton's divided difference formula. Otherwise, it will be wrong. So, in case of unequal difference formula, we use divided difference formula and Lagrange's formula, where the divided difference table as shown on your screen, and we will continue tomorrow with Lagrange's formula, which is also an unequal interval formula. Thank you.